I am logged into my class and I notice my instructor has posted a discussion forum activity. If I click on the name link, it takes me into the forum where I can read the instructions. It's what my instructor is expecting me to include in my post and the guidelines. To add my discussion post, I click the Add a New Discussion Topic button. If I scroll down, I can enter the title or subject of my message. In the message, this is where I include my post. If I scroll down, I can add an attachment if one is required, and when I am done, I just click Post to Forum. Okay. You're given 30 minutes in case you need to make any changes.